So in this video, so in previous video you can get a slope at A and a slope at B, slope at A and slope at B, and from previous equation, that is equation number 5, you can get equation number 5 here, EI dy by dx, and we are going to find a maximum deflection by the using of equation number 5. So here I am going to writing equation number 5 again. So WB by 2L x square, WB by 6L L square minus B square. So this is the AC portion, minus W by 2 x minus A whole square. This is the equation number 5. So after getting the slope at A and slope at B, and you can use these equation number 5, and you can use equation number 5. So here equation number 5, this is the equation number 5, and after getting the slope at A and B, substituting the C1 again in equation number 4. So equation number 4, substituting the C1 value in equation number 4, you can get a equation like this, fifth equation, and you can substitute this equation again. So again integrating the equation 5, we can get so EI dy by dx integration is y, and WB by 2L, so x square integration is x cube by 3, and minus W 6L L square minus B square into x with respect to x. So this is the constant value, with respect to x, multiply with x. So this is the AC portion, and W by 2, so this is the whole section treated as whole section. So x minus A whole square is treated as x square, that is x cube by 3. So this is the equation. After simplify, you can get EI y, so WB 2 into 3 6L x cube minus WB into x 6L L square minus B square. So this is the AC portion, and minus W by 2 into 3 6 x minus, so here x minus A whole cube, so x minus A whole cube. Okay, so this is the equation number 6. So this there is a C2 is nothing but so here equation number 4. So equation number 4, after substitution of C1 integration, you can get equation like this. So this is the equation number 4. So in this C1 value and C2 value, you can substitute C1 equal to this, equation, and C2 equal to 0. Here C2 equal to 0. You can get a equation number 6. So after getting the equation number 6, so this equation called as a deflection equation, you can use this equation, you can find a deflection at any point of the section, but we required a maximum deflection. That maximum deflection occurs in AC portion only. So maximum deflection occurs in AC portion only, So that's why here you can solve this equation up to AC portion only. Why? Because the maximum deflection occurs in AC portion only. So why this maximum deflection finding through this equation? Why? This is called as a deflection expression. In this equation you can saw a y. So y is the denoted letter for deflection. So after, so up to AC portion is nothing but EI into y, WB x cube by 6L minus WB x by 6L, and L square minus B square is the equation. Okay, and you can solve this equation, you can get a maximum deflection, that is WB x by 6l is the common. WBx from this equation, WBx by 6l is the common. Here x square, so l square minus b square is the solution. That is the minus WBx is 6l, minus is the common. So after commoning the minus value, you can get l square plus b square minus x square. So here l square minus b square. So you can get l square x square minus l square minus b square, and you can get equation like after common value negative, so you can get a value y maximum equal to minus WBx 6ei l, so l square plus b square minus x square. So this is the y maximum, this is the y maximum. So this is the y maximum after simplify the equation number 6 up to the dotted lines only, that is the AC portion only. So this minus sign indicates deflection is downwards. Deflection is downwards. Okay, this is the today's class. So in previous video you can get a slope at A and slope at B, but in this video you can get a maximum deflection. So maximum deflection for the using of same beam. This is the beam. So this is the derivation for finding a maximum slope and deflection. For finding a maximum slope and deflection, this is the derivation. So this derivation you can by using Mechler's method only. This is the derivation. Okay, thank you. So practice multiple times these derivations. These derivations are very, very important. Okay, thank you.